Hi and welcome to this next video. Now this video is where the fun is all going to start because one, we are going to be educated on cryptocurrency, and most importantly, number two, is we're going to earn free cryptocurrency. Just before we dive in there, what I wanted to just quickly take your attention to is my portfolio balance. Now, as you can see already, the price of Bitcoin has increased over the past hour or so since we set up our account. So the transaction fee that I mentioned, the £3 80 odd, whatever it was, we've almost made that up anyway now. But our balance is going to increase even more once we start earning our free crypto. Now, if you have a look down here on your watch list, this is useful every time you log in because this is where you can watch the price of Bitcoin. At this current moment in time, as I'm doing this video, Bitcoin is priced at 22,640 UK pounds. Okay, so you know, again, depending on what you've got it set at, that might be shown in US dollars, Australian dollars, whatever the case may be, whatever whatever currency you used. So it's always useful, certainly if you're going to be trading Bitcoin, then you're going to you're going to keep a close eye on that. So let's get into it then, and let's start earning our crypto. Now, a couple of ways you can start earning. You can either click this button here where it's got earn crypto awards, or you can select the one on the left hand side, which is here. And what you're going to do is we're going to earn crypto, free crypto, by being educated, basically. That's all it simply is. And we're going to earn a number of different types of cryptocurrency. And I'll be totally honest, some of the cryptocurrency I didn't know of or wasn't really aware of it until I start doing the videos, watching the videos, and start getting a little bit educated. And the good thing about it is you can actually convert these new cryptocurrencies into Bitcoin, and I'm going to show you just exactly how to do that in a moment. So once you've clicked on there and you're on this screen, what you'll come across is a number of different boxes down there, so all the way right down, and these are all educational videos that we're going to watch and we're going to earn. Now this one here, again, it's another option to start inviting friends. As I mentioned previously before, you get your invite. So if you invite a family member or a friend, and again, I would recommend, and why not, the way the price of Bitcoin is certainly going in the current market, it's always a great investment. So it's always, always worth recommending it to friends, family, or whoever may think be interested in the Bitcoin. So every referral you get and every investment that somebody makes, so they make $100, then you're going to get $10 free. And again, all you would simply do is just select this copy link, and I'll show you more in detail later on how to do that, and some good ways of actually promoting your link as well. And there we have the security of the different awards, stake awards that you can claim there, but we'll cover these in another video, because what we want to focus on is getting our free crypto. So let's get started. So the first one, what we're going to do is, if you have a look here, we've got 3 videos. Now each video is 1 minute long, and we're going to earn $1 worth of the graph. And the graph is a cryptocurrency which we're going to learn about now. It's a protocol, and the abbreviation for graph is GRT. Like Bitcoin, it's BTC. The graph is GRT. So all you would do is just click the first one, and it will open up our lesson. Okay, so as you can see from here, what we need to do is just read the information that's been sent, and you'll notice just by the top navigation bars, that is the time there. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things to read, and then once we've read through them, it'll be a case of clicking the take quiz. Now please bear in mind, some of the other quizzes are actual videos to watch, so you've got to watch the videos, and they're no more than 2 or 3 minutes long each anyway. So just soak in all of the information, and once you're happy, then you can actually click take the quiz. Okay, so there, what information is indexed by the graph. Okay, so you can just select your answer there. Okay, I got that correct. So I've just earned $1 worth of GRT. So next lesson. And it varies again. You'll have 3 or 4 different ones to take there. So the data on the graph is designed by the operators called indexes. Best indexes in the query, processing at the lowest price. Okay, so these highlighted are the keywords to be aware of. Anyone that holds GRT can help secure the network by delegating. By delegating, you earn the rewards. Okay. Okay, so it's asking the next question. What do you earn for delegating GRT to an indexer? Well, of course, it's the tokens. Okay, so what I'm going to do, there's $2 worth. I'm just going to finish off the rest of the quiz, and then I'm going to come back, and then I'm going to show you the rest. Okay then guys, so that's me now completed that task. As you can see there, those are only the 3 tasks on that one, so they are all complete. So I'm just going to click that one there. Okay, so that is the graph earned. So what we'll do now is I'll just quickly jump over to the email, because you should get a confirmation of an email firstly. So we'll do that. Okay, so there's the emails for confirmation. So although it's only the 73 pence, which is the part of the Great British Pound, for these ones, which is not a great deal. However, we've got 3 of them. So you've got 1, you've got 2, and then you've got 3. So let's just jump back over to our Coinbase account. So back here, what we're going to do is just go slightly. You'll notice there, look, there's $3 used of our 124 allocation. So just click back on the portfolio. And as you can see, our balance has slightly gone up a little. Okay, and if you scroll down to all your assets, there you go. Look, there's the graph. So, you know, in this instance, we've got £2.20 in Great British Pounds worth of graph coin there. Okay, so what I want you to do now is get on and do your graph one. And when we come back in the next video, I'm actually going to show you the rest of them and how we can send our invite link to gain more of our rewards.